discovering free guided meditations.
Many popular mental health apps offer free guided meditation tracks. These resources can support mindfulness, stress relief, and better sleep. Learning where to find them within each app helps you make the most of what's available without spending extra money. Let's explore the best ways to access free meditations in some of the most widely used apps.
Calm, finding free sessions.
Calm features a mix of free and premium content. After downloading the app, skip the trial sign-up to reach the homepage. Tap Discover or scroll through the homepage to find sessions labeled free. You can access basics like daily meditations and introductory programs without requiring a subscription.
Insight Timer, thousands for free.
Insight Timer is known for its extensive library of free meditations. Simply create an account and browse or search by topic, teacher, or length. Nearly all guided meditations, music tracks, and talks are free to access. Premium features are mostly for courses or advanced options, but basic guided sessions are open to everyone.
Headspace, free basics and more.
Headspace offers a range of complimentary content. Once registered, look for the Basic course, which provides introductory meditations free of charge. Occasional themed sessions like stress or focus meditations are also made available at no cost under the Today tab or by searching free in the app's library.
Smiling Mind, always free.
Smiling Mind is a non-profit app that keeps all its meditations free. Choose from programs designed for children, teens, and adults. Browse by category or challenge and tap on any track to start listening. There are no locked sessions, subscriptions, or paywalls, making it an excellent choice for fully free mindfulness content.
Tips for maximizing free meditations.
To find the best free tracks, try browsing featured collections and using the search bar. Most apps surface recommended or trending free meditations on their main screens. Explore filters by theme, duration, or experience level. Updating the app regularly can also reveal new, freely available guided sessions.